Halo, welcome to my channel. Ikhda Muhammad Wildani. In this time, I want to create a new tutorial for microservices. Yeah, we last time we have a tutorial that Express.js for Express.js with uh, really basic create, update, and delete. This is also for the front end, yeah, with the EGS, yeah. This 5 years ago, you know that very long time I don't create any videos anymore because I'm busy with my work and then with my college. I'm really sorry, but 4 years ago, before I joined for my college, I created the RESTful API tutorial with Docker SQLize for the migration. Preparation is the installation and something else. Ohio Sekai is Hello World. And CRUD mean that read API first, and then delete API, update API, and create API. This is the playlist that after we create a basic CRUD, we create a RESTful API. And this tutorial is stuck right here. Need to wait several years for me to create new tutorial. Luckily, now we have a lot of AI that we can try to help us to make new project, to make new coding style. Now coding with an AI. Before 2023 we don't have any AI, right? 2000 for the coding AI agent or something. So now I want to share for you about how to code the microservices. But currently will be long video, and I'm sorry if this is not cover all what you need, but I try my best from my experience, from my college, from my course that I was try to learn. And of course this also need help from AI, but currently we are not really use full AI. We will write one by one. I call this fundamental, yeah, maybe. So let's start. The first thing that we need is setup, yeah. Setup DB, setup anything. So I will create a new repository. I would like to think that the name is GoWallet because I want to make a project basically e-wallet, yeah. E-wallet mean that we can send money from one account to the another account. So we will create the repository first. Okay, create the repository, done. And then we can use this one. Okay, I will go to the terminal first. Let's check to go to the directory that we want to work on it, and I will go here, cd anything, any directory you want. I use Mac OS, and if you use Linux or Windows, it's up to you. It's basically the same, but I think you need AI for help if anything different from Mac OS, yeah. So I will enter this and I will make directory, which mean I will make Go wallet. So we will use Golang, so Go wallet, and I will use this one, this tutorial from GitHub, echo Go wallet to readme.md, and then I want to use git init and git add readme, and first commit we can git branch main, but I don't want to use main, I want to use master. I'm old school lah, yeah, the old school one, not use main, and I will git push to master. Basically this one is echo is we create an readme file and then we add this one go wallet for the readme one. This is the text layer. Later we can generate any readme from AI lah, and then git init and initialization for the git repo, and we add a readme and we commit and push. We create a branch first. The main branch is master. This is main, but I changed to master, right? And git remote at origin, basically adding remote lah to the our local. Okay, git push is already done. We refresh this repo, we have this readme first commit 1 minute ago, and currently I want to use anti-gravity from Google. This is IDE, yeah. You can search anti-gravity Google. You can download it, but download the IDE, not the this one. This one is like a codex, I think, so don't download this one, or this one is CLI. You can download this anti-gravity IDE, which mean fully feature agentic IDE, complete with agent manager, artifacts, and understanding, they said. So you should log in first. I would like to open folder, the document, the document coding, this one and this one. Okay, open. Okay, this one I open trust the routers. Okay, basically we have agent here, Gemini 3.1 and 3.5, and Cloudy Opus Sonnet 4.6, and we can check the usage in the models. I use several, so if it will refresh in 1 hour later, but we are not using this AI first. We use we write ourselves first. Anything if we got a new error, then we can ask the Gemini models. Okay, so first I would like to comment +G, mean I want to open the terminal inside the anti-gravity. This is same as the Visual Studio Code. If you using Visual Studio Code, you can use it as well. Use it as well, yeah. No need to worry. This is pretty same. So I want to make directory. Basically, first we are using monolith, so I monolith first. cmd, which means command, and monolith internal config monolith internal database. Okay, so we have this one, cmd internal config and database. I want to create a new branch, git branch mean -p. This is I want to make it feature setup tp. I think setup first, setup 001. This is the episode 1, so 001 setup db setup tp maybe. Okay, so git branch mean p usage, git branch, git check. Okay, so this is wrong, so git checkout, not git branch but git checkout. Okay, git checkout -p. Okay, we already in here, so this is master, and this feature /001. Okay, I want to go to the monolith, cd monolith, change directory, and I want to create initiate the go mode init. Yeah, so before we do go mode init, I want to check my go version. Currently I use a go version 1.26.4. if you are not done yet to install the Golang, you can use brew install go if it Mac OS, or you can go to Golang, download Golang here. I used the newest one, I think 1.26 release 2026 February 10. Okay, you can go here and install. How to install Golang? So install go, download and install like this. You can download here. On Mac, verify is go version, Windows also go version, Linux also go version, same. But if you are using brew, you can brew install go, brew install go. Here is, yeah, brew install go if you want to use brew. Okay, we go here, go version. Okay, we go mod init. Yeah, go mod init github.com/basocode/monolith first. Basocode github/com/basocode is here, basocode, and I create monolith first. Before that, we will change from monolith to the microservices. Yeah, so we have a go mod init. Go mod, basically, actually yes, I forgot to add the Go wallet, so maybe Go wallet already exists. If we try to delete this one and we create new, and then we get this one, Go wallet monolith. Yeah, don't forget to add the Go wallet, sorry. Okay, first we will create Docker Compose because we are using MySQL database for the first phase. We can create a Docker Compose file, docker compose.yml inside the monolith folder. So version, I would like to try 3.8, and then services, MySQL. Okay, image, MySQL tab, just type in container name, Go wallet, test MySQL, root password, no, root password, and this is, I don't need this, port is here, wait, port here, MySQL database, MySQL users, user, wait, Go wallet user, and MySQL password should be Go wallet password. No, I don't want to install this one. Okay, and then the volume should be MySQL file, MySQL data, file MySQL. Okay, this one is okay. Restart. Always, I think. Yes, always. Okay. Volumes, MySQL data. like this. Okay, I think this is done and I want to try. I clear this first and docker compose up main this d, but cannot connect to the docker daemon. Is the docker daemon running? No. So I was installed the docker. So if you don't have any docker, you can try to find the docker desktop, install, download first, and then we can install. Okay. Price, yeah, products, download docker, download docker, install docker on desktop. Yeah, in this one, install Mac for Silicon or Intel, and then this is for Windows and this is for Linux. Okay, so now we have a docker restart, docker starting, and we go to docker compose admin with up-d, and I want to anti-gravity idea would like to access data from other apps. Okay, allow. This will, the docker will automatically download the MySQL database and start inside the container. I think this one will download the images first. This downloaded, and we can simply wait it first lah. Yeah, after it completed download, then we can try to yeah, this one is running. We can try to check after network created and volume created, container created. We check, yeah, we have a monolith, a Golang, MySQL. Okay, so how to know that we have already the database? We download db, we can download db download it right here. You can download for Mac OS can, Windows can, Linux also can, and this dbfer. I wanted to close this one. Okay. I create a new, yeah, I create new, right? Create new connection, here, new database connection, use MySQL, and localhost change to 1.127.0.0.1 port 3306, and the database should be Golang, and the root is Golang user. The password is Golang password, because we create this. You can use this, yeah, root password I think. Root password go, no, we use the Golang password. This root is not, we are not using it. So okay, let's test connection. Public key retrieval is not allowed, so let me change to localhost, maybe localhost. Public key retrieval is not allowed. Okay, we can check with the agent. Public key retrieval is not allowed in dbfer. When I up the docker compose and I wanted to log in it from dbfer, what should I do? Okay, let's waiting for the Gemini and to resolve. Step edit, right click, navigate to driver properties, set the properties, driver properties, set the properties, find allow public key retrieval, allow public key retrieval to true. Okay, then I would like to try to connect. Okay, this one, if I change to 001, is it also connect? Yeah, also connect. Okay, finish. So now we can connect to the Golang database. Okay, this one is already done. Okay, so after that we can continue to set up the configuration loader. We need the safe way to create to reading the credential inside the .env, right? So we can use the library from Zoho go.env. So how to do it? We can go get github.com Zoho, then go.env, where we can find this one. Go get, basically we can try to package command. Yeah, we can try to do like the go.env. When we try go.env, we have a Zoho. This is the latest. How to do that is we can copy and like this, go get, and use the go get env, github Zoho go.env. Okay, so we enter this one. So the new file will create. This is go.mod require github Zoho go.env. After we verify this one, we can try to create the new env file here, .env, db host should, and then db port, db user, db password, db name. I will copy and paste this one before we write this env, because we don't want env up push to the GitHub, right? And anyone can see, and they use our env variable is not good. So we need to create a .gitignore .env. Then this env file will not uploading to the GitHub. Okay, so I forgot, what should we put here? Yeah, db host. I think db host is localhost, should be localhost, and port is this one, and user, we have user is Golang user. The password also Golang password, name is Golang, sorry. Why we add the .env example, so anyone can fill in their env credential by themselves, but with the hint that this is the name of the env, right? So the project will still working if they use in their machine locally. Okay, so after this we create a config file inside internal and config.go, package config, I should use this one and import from log and then OS first. No, I think no need this one. They will automatically import if I'm not mistaken. So I want to try config struct. We create a struct db ds and string, then func load config and then config, and then load file.env if there is any. So if error equal go.env, then automatically import, right? And then we put load and error equal to nil, we should log.print warning if error is not nil, so equal env file not found using system environment variable. This is okay, and we can use dsn variable and os.getEnv and db underscore user plus db password tcp. This is correct. So db user plus this one double dot, okay, os.getEnv db password plus tcp at tcp plus db host plus this one db port, this one db name. Okay, we have a new one, parse time true. Okay, so after that we return the config and db dsn and dsn. This is config. From here we use it as a struct. Also this one log is automatically imported. So yeah, okay, we done. And then we create a new database connection with retry, because if when the application is start in the production or in the Docker container, database sometimes need a couple seconds to start up. So if our application not retry before it's panic, that is not good enough. So we need to make our Go program to retry when the database is not fully starting. Okay, how to do that? So first we need to go get github.com go -sql driver /mysql. Okay, the Go mode ini we got the Go SQL, and after that we create the internal database and database.go. The database.go should have package database and func connect with retry dsn equal to string, and then sql dot db error, and then var db sql dot db and var error max retries, let's say 5, and back off equal to 2 times time dot second, so 2 seconds. So return nil error. here we add a loop equal to 1 I less or same as max retries, and then we process like correct like this. Okay, log dot print connecting to database temp %d slash %d. Okay, we need to know how many times this is the variable I and then the max retries. Okay, so db sql.open MySQL and then ds, and we pass the okay, if error equal to nil, it should be only twice. I need to okay, we do ping for make sure the connection is live. So error ping, if error equal nil, then successfully connected to database. Return db and nil, but we need to set up connection pool properties. This is db.set max open set max open connection, which means 20, which is 25. Set max idle connection also 25. db.set max lifetime 5 time the minutes. Okay, how about the back off? Okay, we do the log first. print f, don't forget about f. Connection failed, connection database connection failed, present p dot retrying in present v, need error and back off. Why? Okay, back off time dot sleep back off. So we need to sleep this one, so we need to double the back off times 2 for waiting to next retry, or exponential back off. Okay, good. This one should be working. db why db is already right. Declare another use db. Okay, I forgot. Okay, this one is not good, so this is equal not one. So like this, yeah, log print, and this one if error db log print. Okay, this okay to ping. Okay, is this okay? So after this we need to go to the cmd, create in main.go. We need to connect the config and database inside this main.go. So package gmd main should be main, and func main. I would say log.print and starting monolith what application. Okay, so first load the configuration, which is gfg. I want it to either gfg and config.load config, and then second connect to database with retry and dbr equal to database connect with retry database. Okay, automatically here, yeah. And if error not nil, log.fatal f critical error could not connect to database after retries. And v equal error. Okay, I use defer db.close and I will log this one, print and application successfully initialize, ready to build fit, or no, just like this. Okay, and how defer db.close. What is this one? What this one for? I will ask the Gemini, so used to ensure that the database connection is cleanly closed when the program finishes executing, so defer db close is executed later. So when the database is when the application is done, is closed, then the db also closed. The defer is used for that. Why this is important? It prevents connection resource leaks and guaranteed cleanup. So now we want to try how to try. Go run gmd and main.co. So database connection failed and now forgotten import this one. Database failed. Retrying. Let me check this one with the Gemini. Oh yeah, this one. It should be adding the github.com GoSQL driver MySQL. Okay, I need to reject this one. Okay, save, and we try to interrupt, and then we go run again. Okay, so we get the starting monolith wallet application and connecting to the database attempt 1.1/5, and then successfully connected and application successfully initialized. So yeah, this is the end of the first tutorial, and then see you next tutorial. Oh wait, before we do that, I need to push this to GitHub. It should be, I need to check this why indirect using, so send all to agent current problem gomot id. Okay, skip. We need to use gomot id first. Okay, so wait, how gomot is. Okay, let me check again gomot id. Okay, done. So this require like this. Yeah, I don't want to use this. I don't want to ask this Gemini first, so we need to gomot id by ourselves, and then we accepting, and then accept. Okay, done. So close all, and we add to GitHub commit. This is the setup db, and go git push origin feature setup db. Okay, so we need to check here in our database, in our github, is it compare and pull request, and we try to create pull request, and we will see that the file changes is like this: the main.co config database example env example. We don't need to this be leaks this one leak, so we use .exe example, and then Dr. Compose also already here, go mode already here, go sum already here. Okay, so yeah, this is the end of the first course, and see you next time. Thank you.